Come in. Good morning. How did you sleep? Please, drop the formalities. We're alone here. Much better. Come here. Mm. Really? It seems like you have something new for me almost daily. On the contrary, it gives me something to look forward to. That and those pretty eyes of yours. Though I admit, I might be running out of space for all these gifts. Wow, this is quite rare. You must have traveled pretty far for it. 5 hours? You don't need to do all that for me. But thank you. I appreciate it. You're the only one I know that would go this far to get me my favorite tea. I love you too. Not so fast there. The papers can wait. Sit down. Have some tea with me. It's the least I can do after your long journey. Have you had breakfast yet? Good. I know how eager you get sometimes to get up and venture out. Now, I didn't get a chance to ask you before you fell asleep on me, but how was yesterday? You're doing fine, dear. Trust me. I'm sure in a month you'll be adjusted to your new role, and you won't even think about it anymore. Well, for one thing, I've gotten plenty of reports from people about how impressed they are with the new head knight. So, try not to worry so much. And if you do, come to me, okay? No, none of that. Doesn't matter what I'm doing. I can always make time for you. How did that trip to the village go? By the sounds of the report, it seems like they didn't want you to leave. Perhaps I should come with you on one of your trips. Make sure they don't try to snatch you away from me. I'm just kidding. Though, it would be nice to accompany you. As nice as the study is, it can be a bit much sometimes. Thankfully, I have a charming knight who brings me many gifts from all over the kingdom. People would think I travel daily with all the things on my shelf. If only they could see the things I put in our room instead. Speaking of traveling, though, I hope you don't intend on staying out for too long today. I've been informed that a storm is coming this afternoon, and it might stay for most of the night. I don't want you out in the cold rain. I don't want you out in the cold rain. Then you'll push those tasks back. I don't want you getting sick again. Promise you'll come back before sunset. Please, dear. Thank you. Take it as an opportunity to rest a bit more. You deserve it. Oh, yes, you do. I remember that time I overworked myself, and you made sure I took some rest. So, I'm not gonna let you fall down that rabbit hole. Now, come here. What? Did you think I'd let you leave without some cuddles? Yes, on my lap. You're way too cold. Take my cloak with you after you armor up, okay? Don't worry about it. I've got plenty. Now, squish me. better. Maybe I should put 2 hours of cuddles at the start of my schedule. You'll be surprised. The days where we stay in bed longer and cuddle are the ones I'm most productive, especially when I can do this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Looks good on you. Nobody will see it under your armor anyway. Want to return the favor? Here. Hey, I didn't say you could give me two. Hmm, I'll get you back for that. Mm. 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 Oh, so now you do want to come back before sunset. What could have caused that change? Motivation. Right. By the time you come back, I should be in my last meeting, about 10 or 20 minutes. You can just wait in our room and we can cuddle up after. I guess that's our cue. I'll see you later then. Love you.